This is a question from Rabia Amin Haikel. He's from Egypt. He said today He is originally from Egypt.
What's the name?
Rabia Amin Haikel.
From Rabia, I thought it was a lady, but Rabia is also man's name.
Without the T at the end.
Aha, that's right.
Spring.
I understand. Yes.
He says that our ummah is completely divided nowadays, and that's according to him because we are not practicing the Shariat of Islam. He said, how can we achieve this unity once more and rebuild this glory for our nation?
He has already answered his question. By starting practicing, they can rebuild this glory. But once the people abandon practicing their religion, by themselves they cannot restart practicing. It has to be a man of God from Allah, a divine messenger who rebuilds the people, the practicing people, from among the scattered bits and pieces of the Ummah. And people respond to his call and gather around him under his flag and restart the ta'amul al-Sharia so that they can gain the same great heights which they had lost.